We are going on a little overnighter. Got my touring skis on. It's currently at the end of a storm, so we got some fresh snow. And yeah, gonna hope the wind dies down and camp out. Woo! Well, tinfoil broke and I lost half of my sweet potatoes, so good thing I brought extra. Alright, let's see how they're looking. Nice. Not bad. Not bad. I worked earlier today, so I wasn't able to get a nice start on this trip. I was hoping I would have a little bit more light to film this, but it ended up being mostly in the dark. Yeah, it was a little bit tough. It took me longer than I like to admit to start the fire, just because it was so wet. All this fresh snow that we recently got is quite damp. So all the wood that I could find was quite damp as well. But I eventually got it started. I don't want to jinx myself, but I think I also heard some coyotes earlier too. I haven't heard them since I got the fire going, so that is good. But yeah, I don't know if this will be a super interesting video, just because it is mostly in the dark. It's hard to shoot and film. And it is still just coming off of the storm we had the last day, so it is super windy. Yeah, hard to film, but we'll see how it turns out. Part of the reason I like camping at this spot is that there is a bit of an elevation gain. So I don't know if you can see in the distance over here to the right of me. You are a little bit higher up. So hopefully in the morning have a fun ski down. But yeah, I'm gonna let this fire die down a little bit and probably call it a night. It's getting pretty late, pretty tired. Food was good. I did salmon and sweet potatoes. I lost half of them to the fire, but what can you do?
Didn't sleep too bad. Still pretty windy last night, and we actually got some more snow. So glad I had the tent so I didn't have to deal with snow blowing in. But yeah, not bad. It wasn't cold either, so good night. I'm not looking forward to putting those on. They're gonna be frozen.
Yep, that's cold.
Those are probably what I heard last night. Yep. Wasn't too far, but they didn't head my way. They went the other way, so they actually followed my tracks that way, which is where I came from yesterday. So that's good that they're hopefully gone, but I don't think that'd bother me anyways. Following their tracks. Nice.
So I'm quite certain that was coyote tracks back there, and it would kind of make sense given what I heard last night, but they were headed in the opposite direction of my camp, so all good. Plus I don't think they like to mess with humans too much anyway, so it was a good night. But I'm almost back at the car, so that wraps it up for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I do have more content planned coming soon, so subscribing really is the best way to see that new stuff. So yeah, thanks again for watching.